What a flawless combo of French smile line and peekaboo. Can you believe I've gotten this feminine manicure in a sun-kissed vibe only in a few minutes? The petal pink is a versatile base color that can be matched with any color and any design, while the shimmering coral smile line makes your manicure stunning. The rainbow revelry mix of colorful glitters echoes the pink and coral color and reminds you of the joyful carnival. Even if you are a newbie who has no touch to dip powder, following my tutorial you can quickly get this manicure done on your own. Let's get started. Having 2 layers of liquid and powder is essential for solid colored nails with no design. It requires you to be patient to apply the base coat as thin and even as you can to avoid bulky and clumps. Dip the nails directly into the jar is the fastest way to create the smile line. But a more beginner-friendly method is to pour some of the powder onto the lid so you can control the depth of the dip and the width of the French smile line. A hack for forming a peekaboo design is using an ombre brush. Grab it to pick up as much glitter as possible, flicking it to drop down all the sparkling stuff evenly on your nail surface while moving from a single direction. It helps to feature the most natural ombre effect with one single time picking and application. Always remember to dip the clear powder at the end. It's the secret to keeping the shine and design from damage while buffing and filing. Last but not least, time and effort are the key points to your successful nail goal, and practice lifts your DIY power to the next level.